Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to update the Skrill application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Skrill application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, as you can see, in the top side of the screen, we have the Add, Transfer and Exchange. In the bottom side, we have 5 tabs. We have the Home tab, we have the Car tab, the Crypto, Sports, and in the bottom we have the Rewards tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and update Skrill application. So it is pretty easy and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So firstly, go to the App Store for iOS device or Google Play Store for Android device. This is what we of course told you when we were of course making the video, which you can of course check out how to download Skrill application. So then type Skrill in the search bar, and if an update is available, you'll see an update button, of course, and then you can of course go and update and download and install the latest version of the application. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.